Welcome to my Tummo tutorial. This technique is totally going to empower your life because you can use it for almost everything. It cleanses your mind and cleanses all the chakras. It removes the blockages right away, and it brings you into the state of peace, quiet, calm, and unconditional love almost immediately. And this is the state of peace and quiet, a deep subconscious level where we reprogram and heal our subconscious mind. So let's start the tutorial. So basically what you are going to do now, I'm going to explain first. So first you rub your hands together and do it with me so that you learn it and remember it better. You sit straight. Normally you should be sitting on a chair with the back straight. Straight but comfortable, shoulders down, everything relaxed. Rub your hands together and place the right one on your heart, left one on your belly. Okay. And keep the arms a little bit from your body as if you had eggs in the armpits. Okay. So don't close like this, so that the energy can flow, okay? And then, when I say 3, 2, 1, you release all the air from your chest and belly, like this, 3, 2, 1, through the mouth, so that there is nothing, no air left whatsoever. And then, we'll start breathing, and when you are breathing strong, deep breaths, forceful breaths into your lungs and belly, basically. So, and your lungs are kind of like as if the lungs were, your lungs are kind of lifting up like this. And basically you take, and we're breathing fast. And basically the last 3, 4 breaths are longer and deeper. So we go like 7. And we are breathing in through the nose and out through the nose, making sound. You also hear your breath. And then the last 3 breaths are slower and deeper. And the very last one, you hold the breath. Okay, and then swallow it into your belly and relax everything. So the last breath goes like this. So basically you swallow it into your belly and relax everything. Relax your shoulders, relax your belly, relax your hands, your arms, your face. You check if everything's relaxed. Then as slowly as you can, you release the air through pursed lips, slowly. Not like this, okay? Slowly. This breathing practice will make you warm. It's also called fire breath, okay? And it will make you lightheaded. And it's totally normal. And that's this feeling of lightheadedness. It's kind of like an internal blast that basically deletes everything negative. All the negative emotions and all the negative thoughts will be gone. And just peace and quiet stays. But first you have to master the technique and do it correctly, and practice it for a little so you can get there. If you feel too lightheaded, just first try to make round your belly. Okay, also when you swallow, you round your belly. When you swallow the breath, you round your belly. And if you still feel too lightheaded, then just breathe out faster. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the last one now, again, without instruction. So the last one. And normally we are supposed to do it with the eyes closed. So now we are going to do it. And I'm going to guide you. So again, check your body posture. If back is straight, everything's relaxed, head is relaxed. Kind of up, back is straight but not too straight, not forcing, like naturally straight. And rub your hands together. And place the right one on your heart, left one on your belly. Keep the eggs in the armpits. And 3, 2, 1, exhale all the air from your chest and belly. And let's start breathing through the nose, in through the nose, out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, deeper. 9, even deeper. 10, deepest hold. And swallow. And relax your shoulders, relax your face, relax your arms, hands, and as slowly as you can, release the breath through the pouted lips. And keep your eyes closed. And when you finished releasing the breath, it's called eternal breath because it should last eternity as long as you can. Then resume when you have finished. It then resume natural breathing into your belly. And with your hands, you can either keep your hands where they are, or you can put your hands on your thighs so you are relaxed and you are feeling comfortable. And you keep your eyes closed. And just check the way you are feeling. And practice, practice, practice until you truly get lightheaded and you access this wonderful peace and quiet inside of you, where the actual reprogramming happens. So practice. Do this technique, practice, and enjoy.